In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Google Meet. Whether you want to keep your space private, reduce distractions, or add a little personality to your call, changing your background is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and share a few tips so it looks clean and professional. Start by looking at the control bar in your Google Meet window. On the right side of that bar, you'll see the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on that triple dot. This menu holds several meeting controls, and the one we need is focused on visual customization so you won't have to dig around for long. From the menu that appears, select Background and Effects. This opens a panel where you control how your video looks. You'll see options for subtle blur, stronger blur, and a range of preset images. Think of this area as your visual toolbox. It's designed to help you look your best without changing your actual environment. The panel usually appears along the side, keeping your video visible so you can see changes as you make them. Next, select your background. If you want something natural and minimal, choose a light blur to soften whatever's behind you. If you need more privacy, pick a stronger blur, which hides details while keeping you in focus. Prefer a themed look? Choose one of the preset images. As soon as you click an option, Google Meet applies it immediately so you can confirm it looks the way you want before you continue the conversation. If it doesn't feel right, simply click a different option until you're happy. And if you ever want to return to your real space, select the option that removes effects. A few quick tips to make it look better. Good front-facing lighting helps the background effect separate you from the scene, so sit near a soft light if possible. Busy patterns on shirts and fast head turns can sometimes create slight edges, so move naturally and choose simpler clothing if you notice artifacts. If you don't see background and effects, your device, browser, or account settings might limit the feature. Updating your browser and closing heavy apps can also improve performance. Google Meet usually remembers your last selection, so your preferred background may be ready next time you join. That's it. Click the triple dot, choose Background and Effects, and select your background. You're all set to present confidently, and stay focused on what matters in your meeting.